What is going on, peeps? We are back with another video. This one, trying something new, something I've never done before. Pretty excited about it. I did move. My old house was in a newer area, so not a whole lot of trees. Moved about hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes south to be closer to my business location. So, but this house has some trees where my last one didn't. Pretty pumped about that. So one of the trees in the backyard just happens to be a maple, or at least I really think it is. So I'm going to try my hand at tapping. Is that the term? Getting sap to make maple syrup. So I did pick up this little set thing. I'll leave a link down below for it. Picked it up at just Farm and Fleet. Comes with a couple sap bags, some taps, a drill bit, and little hangy things that you hang on the tree. And it comes with a book too. I did start reading the book. Maple Sugaring at Home is the book. Let me go grab it. Maple Sugaring at Home. Just a little guide. I mean, some good information in here. I kind of breezed through it. But yeah, never done this before. So if you guys in the comments, if you have some experience doing this stuff, please give me some pointers, because I'm probably gonna look like an idiot. It also comes with some cheesecloth too to filter out the goop. But yeah, let's go get started. So here's the tree, pretty decent size. We're gonna pop a couple holes in and see if we can get some sap flowing. All right, well, it's windy as freaking hell. But yeah, you can actually see here, like she's dripping pretty good. So hopefully that will start filling up and maybe weigh itself down. And in the meantime, I'm gonna pop one on the other side. Yo, so it has been a few days. I already got 5 gallons pulled so far. We did have a little bit of a storm, so it kind of shortened things up or put a pause on some stuff. We had a nice big snowstorm, but it's nice and warm today. So as you can see here, we got one heck of a bag going. And then we'll check out the other side here. Got another another decent bag going. So I did already, like I said, I got 5 gallons already set aside. So I'm gonna have to boil this in batches. So I'm gonna start that process. See you soon. Yo, it's a beautiful day today. Little update. We did end up getting about 10 gallons of maple sap. Boiled that down, took a minute. Boiled it down, got about a quart of syrup, and let me tell you, it's pretty delicious. I did eat a little bit of it, but got about a quart of syrup from about 10 gallons of sap. So the yield is not super high, but we expected that. I do have a little bit more that I have to boil down, but let me tell you, it's not as difficult of a process as a lot of people think. You just keep boiling it down. You want the consistency to coat the back of a spoon kind of thing. I don't have a candy thermometer. They say it's what, like 7 or 8 degrees above boiling, and that's when your syrup is done or ready or whatever. I don't have that, so I just went by eye, but it turned out pretty good. So hey, this is tapping your maple tree in your backyard and making some maple syrup here in Wisconsin. So until the next time, appreciate you guys. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.